After 116 mm rain in 3 days, the site was off for 3 days. Even we can't do anything today. This was the filling, the new filling, and the soil is too soft. We can't take our machinery inside. We were lucky that we completed this excess soil topping on the edge of the lake so that we can control the erosion from that side. If that soil was not there, then the whole water, surface water, will run off, will create gullies and everything, and all the erosion and all these sides of the lakes, all the way down in that side and this side. That is this almost 32 canal lake. So all there will be a lot of erosion and a lot of soil work. But we were lucky that we completed that. You can see there down that one spot we have the erosion and the gully formation. But there are a couple of points where we have this type of problem, but not much. We have this type of depressions here on the ground, like this one. The rain that we received was in 4 spells. The first one was 28 ml, and then we have the second spell was almost 29 mm in thickness, and then we have 31, and then we have 32. So 4 spells we received, and in 4 spells, that's a cumulative, I think, about 116 mm. But the weather is cloudy and even foggy. From last 2 days we can't see anything. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and we can't see our survey pigs and the flags and those type of things. We can't do anything at the moment. And there is water setting in different areas. Even you can see in the lake there. In the lake there we have about 8 to 9 inches of water accumulated. So all the water will be taken out, inshallah. And at some areas we have depressions. Let me show you that.